Hello friends, welcome back to Mano Cooks. In today's video, let's learn how to make perfect mushroom Manchurian every time. Mushroom Manchurian is an Indo-Chinese starter recipe and I'm teaching you the perfect restaurant style recipe here. So let's get started. For this I'm taking 300 grams white button mushroom. So first I have washed the mushrooms and I have kept it in a bowl. So please don't soak the mushrooms in water, they'll become soggy. And I'm cutting the mushrooms in half and then I'm dicing it down as you see in the video. If your mushroom is small, you can just cut it into 4 pieces. So I have washed the mushrooms and cut them into pieces like this and I'm keeping it aside. Let's now make the batter to fry the mushrooms in. So I'm taking a bowl and to that let's add 1 cup maida or all-purpose flour to that, and this is yellow corn flour, so half cup of corn flour I'm adding here. So now I'm adding pepper powder to this, so half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon pepper powder you can add. After that go ahead and add ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste is good enough. After this I'm adding half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, and now to this let's add water slowly and make a lump free mixture. So I forgot to add salt to this mixture, so add 1 teaspoon salt to this and start mixing it. So make sure to add water in small batches and then mix and then add some more. So the consistency of the batter should be not too thick and not too runny. So actually when you put the mushroom and coat it, it should get coated on the mushroom. So that should be the right consistency. Let's heat oil to deep fry the mushrooms. Once oil is hot, let's dip the mushroom in the batter and slowly coat the mushroom from all the sides and drop it one by one in the hot oil. And only put few mushrooms at a time and then fry this until crisp. So if supposing anytime if you feel your batter is loose and it is not sticking to the mushrooms, you can go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of corn flour or maida flour and adjust the consistency and then start dipping the mushroom in the batter and fry it in oil. Now the mushrooms are fried until crisp. Let me take it out in a bowl lined with a tissue paper. You can see how nice and crisp it looks. So do the same with rest of the batch. So this is another method that I'm showing you here. I'm taking little bit of mushrooms and then coating it with the batter. Be careful not to break them and just coat them with the batter, and once coated well, drop them in oil and fry them until crisp. So an important tip here, don't add all the mushroom in the batter and keep it aside, because mushrooms have the tendency to leave water and the batter can become runny while you try this method. So right now as I've shown you, I've fried all the mushrooms coated with the batter and they are all done and ready. Next step is to make the Manchurian sauce. So for that right now I'm taking 1 teaspoon corn flour in a bowl and then adding 2 to 3 tablespoon water and make it a lump free mixture and like this and keep it aside. I have chopped green capsicum into square pieces as you see, and then I have chopped some onion also, so keep them ready. Along with this I have 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger and 2 tablespoon finely chopped garlic and 3 slit green chilies I have kept, and spring onion whites which I have chopped them. If you don't have spring onion it's okay, but keep all this chopped and ready. Also I have green spring onions and coriander leaves chopped. The sauces that we need for this: green chili sauce, tomato ketchup, soya sauce, sugar, and then the corn flour slurry and vinegar plus chili sauce. Now since the sauces are ready, let's keep a wok or a wide pan, and to that I'm adding 3 tablespoon oil. Once oil is hot, first go ahead and add the finely chopped garlic to that and let's saute this for a few seconds. After 30 seconds, let's go ahead and add the chopped ginger to this and saute this again for 30 seconds. So don't brown ginger or garlic at this point. So after this I'm adding the green spring onions which I have chopped. So saute that also again for 30 seconds, and to this I'm adding little bit sugar here. So the sugar doesn't give any sweetness to this. So adding sugar actually gives a nice glossy look to this dish. So always try to add half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon sugar while you are making Manchurian. Add the diced onion. So onion should slightly change color. It should not become soft. After which let's go ahead and add the capsicum slices. Again, capsicum should be crunchy, so it should not be cooked all the way through. So now after this I'm adding the slit green chili here. If you feel anytime the heat is more, you can just little bit reduce the heat. And after this, now let's add the sauces one by one. So first I'm adding the chili sauce that I have kept, and after that I'm adding the green chili sauce. So after adding the chili sauce, I'm adding soya sauce. This is dark soya sauce, so I'm adding it 1 teaspoon here. And then ketchup. Ketchup should be more, so it is like 5 to 6 tablespoon I'm adding. And then 2 teaspoon of vinegar. So once you add all the sauces, let's go ahead and mix everything. So right now the sauce looks really colorful. To this, finally, let's go ahead and add the corn flour slurry. So if the corn flour slurry is thick, you can add 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoon water and mix it again, and go ahead and add to the sauces and give everything a mix. Now once the sauce starts to boil, let's go ahead and add all the fried mushroom to this. After this, mix all the mushroom to the sauces so that everything coats very well. So now if you can see how nice and colorful our mushroom manchurian is getting ready, just toss the mushroom in the sauce until the sauce become little dry. So if you notice, I didn't add any salt to this because the sauces will have salt on itself. And right now, like finally to this, add the green spring onions and then chopped fresh coriander leaves and turn off the stove. So this is the perfect recipe of a mushroom manchurian, which is more tastier than the gobi manchurian or the cauliflower manchurian that you usually have in restaurants. So do try this recipe for your next party or for your family members at home and enjoy.